Okay, the next one, after the trigonometric functions, yung inverse naman niya. So, yung inverse niya class, will have arc sine of u, or the inverse sine of u, and the inverse or arc sine of u. Yan yung magka-partner para sa pag-memorize ng formula. And then, the arc tangent of u, and then the arc cotangent of u. Paano malalaman kung yan ay inverse? May negative sign po after the function. Okay? And then you'll have the arc or the inverse secant of u, and then the inverse cosecant of u. So, dito, hindi na to masyadong nag-apply ng identities or simplification. Yung formula na yung pinaka-challenge natin dito. Pero may technique din. Kung titingnan nyo yung, we have 6 inverse, diba? Pero basically, 3 lang yung i-memorize natin na formula. At i-apply lang natin, basta ko, yung inverse ng cofunction, lagi yung negative lang din. So, we have the arc cosine, arc cotangent, and arc cosecant. So, sa arc sine of u, the formula is you have 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared multiplied by the u prime. Pwede din u prime, ilagay nyo na sa taas. So, for the arc cosine, same lang din. 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared times u prime. Again, dahil siya ay cofunction, negative. So, parehas na parehas sila yung formula. Ganun din kaya arctan and arccotangent. So, for the arctangent, we have 1 over 1 plus u squared, or u squared plus 1 multiplied by the u prime. Si arccotangent naman, meron lang siyang negative. So, negative 1 over 1 plus u squared times u prime. As in, parehas lang. Okay? And the arc cosecant naman, dito naman, we'll have 1 all over, you have u sa labas, and then, kung si arc sine ay 1 minus u squared, ito po ay u squared minus 1 times u prime. Okay? So, dun sa arc cosecant, we'll have negative 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1 times the u prime. So, ayan po yung pinaka-formula. So, kung titingnan natin, mukha siyang komplikado, pero sa totoo lang, 3 lang yung formula na ating tatandaan. Then, ito ay 1 over square root ng 1 minus u squared, negative lang si arc cosine. Tapos, ito, tanggalin mo lang yung square root, gawin mong positive yung u squared instead na minus. Meron ka ng arctangent, arccotangent na negative lang din. Then, sa second naman, palatandaan natin, almost similar. Una lang si u squared minus 1 sa baba. Tapos may u na nakalabas. Okay? That will be the formula of the derivative of the inverse trigonometric. So, we have no choice. We really have to memorize it. Again, yung technique ko po nung ako nag-aaral pa, once na na-receive ko yung test paper or quiz paper, sinusulat ko sa likod yung mga naalala ko na formula para mukha akong may index card. Pero, legit. Kasi nga, galing siya sa akin and walang kodigo, diba? So, dito, yung given number 1 natin, let's try to, again, we're going to differentiate. Okay, or we're going to get the y prime. For number 1, the given is y equal to arc sine. Yan, meron kasi nito, of x squared. So, ang u natin dyan is x squared. Okay, kung maalala natin, ito recta derivative tayo having u as x squared. So, this will be 1 all over square root of 1 minus u na naka-squared. Ang u natin ay x squared. So, 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared multiplied by the derivative of the u. In this case, we have x squared. Derivative niya is 2x. So, dito po, tinatanggap ko na yung 1 times 2x. You have 2x all over the square root of 1 minus x squared squared. So, di ba, multiply lang natin yung mga exponent. That will be x raised to 4. So, kahit hindi nyo na i-rationalize, ibig sabihin, kahit naka-radicals yung nasa baba, ina-accept ko na siya. Okay? So, for number 2 naman, we're given with y equal to the inverse of cosine or the arc cosine of square root of x. So, ito. So, usually, pag nakakita ng radical sign, nagpapanik. Para hindi kayo magpanik, I want you to remember first, the square root of x, ang derivative niya ay 1 over 2 square root of x. If this is y, ito yung y prime niya. Okay? Tandaan nyo kasi usual tong ginagamit, si square root of x, 1 over 2 square root of x. So, how come? So, ito, pwede natin siyang i-transform into, exponent niya ay 1, at ang index niya ay 2, diba? Wala nakalagay. So, therefore, yun. Ngayon, pag dinerivative natin yan, gamit yung power rule, we have 1 half x raised to 1 half minus 1. Then, rewrite again, we have 1 half x, 1 half minus 1, you can use your calculator, that's negative 1 half. So, if that is negative na nasa numerator, pwede natin siyang ibaba. So, mapapalagay sa denominator, magiging positive 1 half na siya. And then, i-transform lang natin into radical. So, ang denominator niya ay 2, therefore square root yan, x raised to 1 or simply x na lang. Kaya, pag nakakita kayo ng square root of x, tandaan ang derivative niya, 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay? So, ito yung process. Simple power rule lang naman. Okay. Ngayon, kung i-derivative natin tong given natin, we have y prime equal to, kung matatandaan nyo, the formula of the arc cosine is, parang ito lang, 1 over square root ng 1 minus u squared multiplied by u squared pero negative. Okay? So, we'll have negative 1 all over. Ang u natin dito is square root of x. Okay? So, we'll have 1 minus, ang u natin ay square root of x na naka-squared multiplied by the derivative of the square root of x, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay? So, paano nangyari yan? Ito po yung pinaka-process. So, imbes na solve nyo, basta square root of x, 1 over 2 square root of x. Tandaan, negative times positive 1, you'll have negative 1 all over 2 square root of x times square root ng 1 minus square root of x squared. So, rewrite lang po muna natin si 2, then square root of x, tapos simplify natin, we have 1 minus, ito, magka-cancel na siya. Kasi square root of x na naka-squared, so 1 minus x na lang. So, since parehas sila square root, pwede pa natin silang pagsamahin. So, we have negative 1 all over 2 square root of x times the 1 minus x. So, ito po, tatanggapin ko na itong final answer na ito. Okay? And then, for our number 3, so number 3, we have y equal to the arctangent of tangent of x. So, kung makikita natin, the derivative of, the u here is the tangent of x. But, always remember, if you have inverse of the tangent, inverse arctan of tan, nakaka-cancel lang yun. Diba? Kagaya nung, kunyari, we have sine of x equal to 0.5. We're looking for x. Diba ang ginagawa natin dyan? Nag-arc sine tayo both side. Para makancel yon, x lang matitira. Tapos ito, arc sine of 0.5 yan. Okay, nakakancel siya. Arc sine of sine. So ito, since arctan of tan, imbes na magdiretso ka na 1 over 1 plus u squared times derivative ng tangent, pwede mo na siyang initially i-cancel agad. Therefore, ang matitira dito, ito, arctan tan, cancel, x na lang. So, pag dinerivative mo yan, the answer is simply 1. Okay? Ngayon, what if idiretso ko siya, ma'am? Yung given natin na y equal to the arctangent of x. So, ang formula niya, 'di ba? Ang y prime natin is 1 over 1 plus u. Ito yung u. So, we have tan squared, kasi u squared, 'di ba? 1 over 1 plus u squared. Then, derivative ng tangent is secant squared of x. Okay? Ngayon, kung maalala nyo sa identities, ang 1 plus tangent squared ay secant squared. So, 1 times secant squared sa taas, all over sa baba, secant squared din. Kasi yan yung sa identity. So, basically, equal lang siya sa 1. Imbis na pahirapan natin yung sarili natin, dumiretso na lang tayo. Simplify muna natin. Okay? So, that's number 3. And number 4 naman, so we have y equal to arc cosecant of ln x. So, ito, wala tayong pang simplify dito. Tandaan na lang natin, the formula of the arc cosecant will be, ang u niya class ay ln x. So, that arc cosecant yan. So, negative 1 all over u. Ang u natin ay ln of x multiplied to u squared minus 1. Ang u natin again, ln x na naka-squared daw, minus 1. Then, don't forget, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Derivative of x is 1. So, 1 over x na yan. Diba? Remember, ln, 1 over u prime. So, 1 over x, derivative ng x ay 1. So, mangyayari dito, our answer will be negative 1 times 1. We have negative 1 all over. So, si x, ilagay natin sa unahan. Then, ln x. Then, square root of. Ito, pwede mo siyang gawing ln squared of x minus 1. Tandaan, yung squared ay na kay ln, wala kay x. Okay? So, yun yung proper. Pag nilagay natin siya kay x, magkakamali tayo. Kasi ang ln x squared ay x times x. Ang ln squared of x is ln x times ln x. Therefore, ito yung proper. Kung gusto nyo, pwedeng hindi nyo natanggalin yung parenthesis. Pwede naman. So, this will be our answer for number 4. And that's our inverse trigonometric derivative.